Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix lock widget not updating automatically on iPhone. If your widget is stuck on an old iPhone or isn't refreshing with the new one, don't worry, here's the step-by-step fix. First, switch between Wi-Fi and network and mobile data. To make sure the widget has stable connection, Locket Widgets refresh through the internet, not just the app. Next, launch the app and let it load for a few seconds. This often triggers the widget to pull the latest photo. After that, photo to update in the background. After that, go to settings and then go to general and then go to background app refresh and make sure it is turned on for the Locket Widget app. After that, if it's off, the widget cannot update while you are not using the app. After that, go ahead and go to settings and then go to apps, go to Locket Widget, and make sure you have turned on camera notifications permissions. Next, go to the app store and then search for Locket Widget and see if there's an update button available. Login issues happen because if there is an update button, just click it. If there is an open button like mine, then that means your app is already updated to the latest versions or the newest version. Now that was the last step, and privacy tip: only keep friends you trust on your Locket. Their photos will appear live on your home screen every time on the widget updates. Quick fix: if it's still not updating, restart your iPhone to clear background widget bugs. Temporarily toggle the airplane mode on and off to reset network sync. Log out and back into your account to force a fresh widget session, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick and easy app fixes like this.